We are on the Aventon Sinch, and we're pushing the limits a little bit. This isn't like a little baby trail. This is a pretty decent trail. A lot of aggressive mountain bikers ride through here. And we're gonna see how this thing does. Now, is this a mountain bike? No. Is this an off-road bike? No. But it's a front suspension folding bike with 4-inch wide dual sport tires. So should it be able to handle this? Yeah, I think so. So we're gonna give her a go and see what happens. Do I advise doing this as an early owner of the Aventon Sinch, having gone 63 miles? Not really. This isn't really what it's meant for, but I'm just checking her out, you know, pushing the limits, pushing the outer edges of the envelope. So bear with me. Now, if you look way back in my videos, when I was riding my Super 73, right here, there was a rattlesnake. And oh boy, did it freak me out. So you gotta be on the lookout. Well, I guess I gotta be on the lookout. You're not really here, but you know what I'm saying. So anyway, not the most aggressive trails, but also not the easiest trails. You know, you got some rocks, you got some divots, you got some bumps, you got some tree roots and branches, and you got some hills. So I don't know. We're gonna give this a go and see if we can make it up this thing. I'm gonna try to do all this in pedal assist 1, just to show you what's possible. Now this right here, we're at about a 6% grade. This coming up right here is about a 12% grade. I don't know if we're gonna make it up this, but we're gonna try. Getting ready to push. No, we're not gonna make it. So I have to go into pedal assist 5. Okay, this is really freaking steep, people. We're in gear 1, we're in pedal assist 5, and we just freaking made it. All right. Woo. All right, that was a bit aggressive. Okay, now we're back down to pedal assist 1 again. Gear 3. Hey there. All right. These trails go and go and go and go. All right, we're facing some steep hills again here, people. Come on. We're doing pedal assist 5 again, just to make it up this. All right. Big ass hill coming. Trying to get some serious momentum here. This is a mega hill, people. It may not look like it. This is probably a 14% grade right here. Seriously. On my road bike, I use my Garmin bike computer, and it tells you percentage grades. I've been using that for about 4 years, so I'm pretty good with like determining approximate grades. And this right here is definitely like 12 to 14%. Wow. All right. I don't know if we're gonna keep doing this because these hills just keep getting steeper and steeper and steeper. Like right up there is mega. But you know what, people? We did it. That was pedal assist 5, by the way. Oh God. Heart rate's raging right now. Look how beautiful this is back here. You guys seeing this? Everywhere you look. Mountains, trails, and blue skies. And look at that, that's where we're not going up. That's like Pikes Peak up there. All right, little drink. Now we're gonna see how this thing handles coming down the bumps and whatnot of the terrain. So let's see. So far On the way up, as far as cushion and suspension and stability and rideability, I give it a 9. And now we're coming down a little bit. Oh boy, a little bit steep here, people. So far so good. Brakes work. Front suspension works. Yeah, not bad. And you can so easily just go off the edge here. Doesn't look like it, people. This is really freaking steep. So deceiving on YouTube. But when you're here, oh yeah, it's steep. Steep going up, steep coming down. A lot of fun coming down. Oh, see, this is really steep, people. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay, so needless to say, I loosened the front shocks on this, and it's helped a lot. It was kind of a little rugged before, like a little stiff. Now it's nice. Got some nice give, nice travel, you know? So, yeah, you may want to do that. Now, I don't know why, but my adjustable front fork was so freaking hard to turn that do we really have a truck back here? Really? Hey there. How you doing? Good, thanks. That I had to use pliers to freaking turn it, you know what I mean? So, anyway, you might have to do that because it's really hard to, maybe mine's just stiff, I don't know. But anyway, you know what's really cool is when you're on like a Segway, X160, X260, a Sur-Ron, you know, a Free Rider, one of those dirt bikes or an HPC dirt bike, electric dirt bikes, you know, even though they have pedals that are glorified pedals, or even the Onyx off-road, you know, kit. Hey there. Versus when you're on something like this and you ride by a guy like that who just goes, hey, how are you? You know, because it's like you're so in the right, you know? You're on a freaking electric bike, and it's just a bike. It's not a motorcycle. It's not an electric motorcycle glorified to look like a bike. It's a freaking electric bike, and they don't care. Earlier, I rode by a motorcycle, a cop. He was in a cul-de-sac pulling somebody over, and I was just going right up a trail, right by him, and he just waved. Isn't that nice? I just really like that about, you know, non-dirt bike style electric bikes. Anyway, that'll do it, people. Hope you enjoyed. More to come. Like and subscribe. God bless. Peace out.